This is Nancy with Fix This House, and this is some kind of twist gray and orange twist type mop. At the top here it says HDX. I don't know if you can see that right there, but you can remove the mop and wash it. So I put this in my washing machine. So I don't recommend a dryer because it shrinks. But once you do that, you have to figure out how to put it back together. And that is the challenging part, especially for the first time or if you haven't washed it in a long time. This is the bottom of the mop, and it used to have a felt cover on it so it wouldn't scratch the floor. Mine's gone because I've used it too much. And what you want to do is find this funnely type thing. It sits in this top opening right here, but you can't get it in this way. You have to actually open up the mop in here, slide it in with the narrow end up, and then bring it up to the top like so. It's got grippies. These kind of things are like grippy right there, and they go there. And then you have this part here and the end here that has the little tab right there. So you want to take this and slide it. The orange button goes towards the top, and this is the bottom. So we're going to slide the orange part and leave the two holes at the bottom. Slide it on. And then you're going to take this end piece and stick it through the top funnely thing all the way down and open up this again and pull out, find this part right here. This is the inside of the base, the very bottom. And you need to put this into that hole. So slide it in, and push, it snaps in. And then we need to take care of securing this part here. So this part here has to go where these two holes are. There's a tab on this side and this side. Squeeze those and put them in there. And you'll see that they attach there and there. And now you have a mop that is assembled and ready to use. So it pulls back and squeezes. Now I've dried mine in the dryer, so this is shrunk, and that's kind of old. I tried finding a replacement, didn't find anything that was as heavy duty as this. So it's a really nice mop, and it washes well if you put it in the washing machine. And that, my friends, is how you assemble it. So I hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please write them down below. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to subscribe. Thanks.